Hi YouTube, this is Jojokay's Fitness. This channel is all about fitness, living a balanced lifestyle. Today we are just going to do a quick green juice with these 4 items. I have spinach, kale, ginger, and of course broccoli. I'm just going to blend everything in the blender and then strain it. That's it. It's not that hard, guys. You can do it. It's just to refresh inside. That's the main goal of it. And I want to say thank you to my subscribers, the old ones. I appreciate your love and support. And for those of you that are new or just passing by, you saw my video, thank you for watching. And I also would like you guys to subscribe so you get the new videos that I will post. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. Leave a comment down below, like this video, and please share it. Thank you so much for watching. So guys, this is the end product. I've done it already and I've stirred it up, strain it well, and I will just have to turn a bit for myself with a cold ice cube on it, with an ice cube on it. It's very good, guys. Give it a try. It's a healthy drink. Trust me, guys, you can do it. It's only 4 ingredients on it. With an ice cube, you strain it. That's it, guys. Let me have a sip of it. Yes, guys.